An Australian firefighter was killed last night after being struck by a falling tree while trying to control a bushfire that has destroyed homes and burned much of the scrubland north of Sydney, authorities said on Monday, December 8. Emergency crews rushed to the scrubland near the rural town of Bulahdelah, 200 km north of Sydney. After receiving reports that a fallen tree had struck a man. The 59-year-old man suffered a heart attack and died at the scene, officials said. More than 50 bushfires hit the state of New South Wales as of Monday morning. Fast-moving fires over the weekend destroyed 16 homes on the Central Coast, home to about 350,000 people and a commuter region north of Sydney. Authorities have warned of a high-risk bushfire season during Australia's summer months, from December to February. With an increased likelihood of extreme heat across much of the country after several relatively quiet years. Australia's Black Summer fires of 2019 until 2020 burned an area the size of Turkey and killed 32 people.